Since March 2020, Joseilda Ferreira has been struggling with the online learning of her two children, 8-year-old Daniel and Victoria, who's 10. But now they're on their way to school once again, on an alternating every other week schedule. Checking for fever at the door and with a squirt of alcohol for the hands is part of the new COVID-19 protocols established by the Education Board. Joseilda is happy to see her children with their classmates once again.
Para mim foi alívio.
It has been a relief for me and for them because seeing the children out of the house, meeting with their friends again, makes a huge difference, though it is still far from normal.
The public school has adapted. With half the class staying home each day, masked students are able to spread out and sit apart from each other. Teachers see a notable increase in learning enthusiasm and more positive energy in the classroom. According to the United Nations Children's Fund, last year some 5 million Brazilian children between the ages of 6 and 17 had no access to education.
Public schools are crucial to the formation of good citizens, for monitoring violence at home and for feeding children who would not otherwise eat. It has to be the country's main priority.
Indeed, it is the free meals that may be the most important component of the return to in-person schooling in Brazil. In this case, for the 800 students at the Pereira Passos School, the food is a huge relief to the many parents who lost their income during the pandemic.
But not everyone is in agreement with this reopening, including, importantly, Rio de Janeiro's powerful teachers' union.
Isabella Costa, general coordinator of the union, says the number of COVID-19 cases remains too high in Rio, which has become Brazil's epicenter for the highly contagious Delta variant.
We're facing a very critical moment, so we have the same recommendation as health experts. That is, this is not the time to be opening schools.
Joseilda says she's concerned about her family's health, but that catching up with their education is a benefit for her children that outweighs the risks. Lucrecia, Franco, CGTN, Rio de Janeiro.